Okay. Hello guys, it's me, Justin. I'm gonna play some Playground with my friend Slayer today. Yeah. And we're gonna look for guided missiles, then we're gonna battle each other. And right now it won't let me break anything. It's a glitch. Epic Game, fix this. Fix this. Yeah, they added jetpacks too. Yeah, that's really nice. Ah, it won't let me go in anything. Do you know like a glitch where like whenever you do something, you can't break anything, or you can't break anything and you have to wait? Have you seen that glitch before? Hey, not now. Bro, it won't let me go anything. Bro, I can't get any loot. Paranoid. Mm. You guys, you got guided missile? Can I have it since you have the rocket? Can I have the rocket launcher or you can have the guided? Which one do I get? Which one do I get? Can I have the guided? I've never used the guided missile before. I'm not lying. Oh, where is it? Oh, right there. I don't have any rockets. Can you split some? Or no? You can't split? You can't split? Okay. Oh, no, I was gonna split them so we can both have some. Huh? Hold on. I'll give you 5. I get 5. Bro, don't we need to switch teams to battle though, or no? Do you want to switch? Do you want to battle or no? Not yet. Paranoid. Oh, I just got a jetpack. Nice. Paranoid. Bro, can you switch teams? Are you gonna switch teams or no? Who's gonna switch teams? Bro, who's switching teams? Are you the one switching teams or am I? What? I just found a scar. Paranoid. I just found a purple RPG. Should I take the purple RPG or no? Cause I have a guided one. Okay. Bro, you switch teams. I want you to switch teams. Okay. Yep. Yeah, I don't have much loot right now. Paranoid. I have a jetpack too. Try guided missile you. And try guided missile you. Yeah, I know. No taking loot either. Okay? What? Not soft? No. Yeah. What do you want to do? Do you want to fight now? Okay, guys. We'll, 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 we need to get looting, and we'll be back, kind of soon. So, you guys in like 5 minutes. Huh? Okay, you're not ready to battle. Okay. Kind of lagging. I froze. I froze. Oh yeah, sorry about the thing. And um after I die or he dies, I'm gonna end the recording off, and it might take a while. So we're sorry, but we like to keep it long. For me, I like to. Paranoid, come with me. Bro, you ready or no? Oh, I see you. I see you. I can guide and missile you right now if I wanted to. We're not battling yet, right? I'm lagging like crazy. Oh, oh, you got this house? Ow, I'm lagging. Do you see me or no? Did you see me or no? I'm lagging. Uh, oh, you want to battle now? Okay. I'm lagging. Bro, I'm lagging. That's why. I was lagging. Yeah, cause I put streamer mode on. And I think that's gonna do it for this video. And bye bye guys.